Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am so excited because I am going to be sharing with you guys our Boxycharm unboxing. So this one is a little bit different than all the other boxes that I get, because the other boxes are boxes that I pay for because I already have a Boxycharm subscription and I absolutely love them. I've been a subscriber of Boxycharm for 3 years now. So I never thought like this would be a reality for me, but Boxycharm did send me this box to do some content with, to make some videos and some Instagram posts with, and I'm super excited about this. Thank you so much, Boxycharm, for giving me this amazing opportunity to be able to receive this box before anyone else gets it. It's one of my favorite things to do before I get my Boxycharm box, is to see what is coming in different people's boxes, because even though like I might not know what variation I'm getting, it still kind of gives me an idea of what items are in the box, and like just gives me something to look forward to. And like I'll like see certain items and be like, oh my gosh, I hope I get that item. Oh my gosh, I hope I get that item. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription that is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items, and they're usually like really good full-size items. You can get a variation of hair care, skin care, makeup, just kind of depending on what you like. You can fill out a survey and just let them know what items you guys want to receive on there, and you can also put on there like your skin type, your hair type, and all that fun stuff. And then the biggest thing really is making sure that every single month you review the box that you get and the items that you get as well, so that they know what items you like, what items you don't like, and the reasons why, and that gives them a better idea on how to curate a box for you. You get to also choose one item in the box as well. And there's a bunch of other perks too with being a Boxycharm subscriber. So anyways, we're gonna jump right into the box. So this month's theme is Boxy Harvest. This is what the little insert card looks like here. And I did get variation number 33. On the bottom here, it lets you know what variation type you got. It also tells you all the products and how much each product is too. We do have 2 skincare items this month. The first one being this Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It does retail for $28, which already is more than the price of the box itself. This is what it looks like. You guys can see that it is a full-size item here. I haven't used this yet, but I am about to use it. The little cat ears. The second skincare item is this item from this brand called Yensa. I've never heard of them before, but this is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. I don't know what that means, but this is what the little box looks like here. This is a superfood Asian botanical, real results, multitasking, high performance. There's no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, phthalates, or animal cruelty to this. This is what it looks like right here. And on the side here, it tells you all the superfoods that are in it. So I feel like this is very appropriate for fall. And this mask here does retail for $45, almost double the price of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my skin really quick with the cleanser, and then I'll be right back and I'll apply the mask on camera. So my skin is nice and cleansed, and it feels really nice. It still feels supple, and the chamomile in it does help to calm redness on the skin. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the face mask on our skin. It says smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So it does have little exfoliating beads on it. All right, so we're gonna let that sit on the skin for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna use some warm water to gently massage it with warm water and rinse clean. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We'll see how it makes my skin feel, but because it has honey in it, I already know that it's gonna keep it nice and supple. So I will be back. And so I went ahead and rinsed off my face, and I really like this a lot. Like, the honey in it makes my skin feel nice and supple and moisturized, and it gives me a nice fresh glow too. And it really helped because I have like, I always get a lot of like whiteheads and stuff right down here, and I feel like they're a lot smoother now. Like I don't feel the little bumps and whatnot, and even my nose feels a lot better. So then the last few items in the box are all eye makeup related. So the first item that we got, which I'm so excited about, is the Pero Primero primer. long wear sticky pigment base from Alameda Cosmetics. I have been wanting to pick this up because I picked up the Spanglish collection, but I only picked up the brushes and the eyeshadow palette, but I didn't pick up the eyeshadow primer. This does retail for $15, which I don't think is a bad price. This is kind of like a glue type primer, which I'm really excited about. I've heard really good things about this, so you can mix your favorite concealer with it if you want to create a customized color. You can also use it as a glitter glue, so it's kind of like very versatile. Like you won't need a glitter glue and a primer, like this is all in one. And then we also got the Kush mascara, waterproof mascara from Milk Makeup, which I do have the primer for this, so this is perfect that we got this in here. Let me see if I can get this open without breaking it. So this is what the mascara looks like. It is a volumizing mascara, very large wand. It's going to give you nice fluffy lashes. It's super black too, and it's really conditioning, and this does retail for $24. And then the last product, which is the product I'm most excited about, this is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. So this is what it looks like here. We have 5 full-size Natasha Denona eyeshadows. That is it right there. You guys can kind of see it. These are perfect for Thanksgiving for sure. Like you have those nice warm tones. Natasha Denona specifically curated this for Boxycharm, so this is a Boxycharm exclusive. It does retail for $48, and it's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha Denona's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all recognized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formulas, this is from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. So these are 5 shades that are already existing in those 3 eyeshadow palettes that she just put in this palette here. We do have 1 shimmer and the rest are all mattes, but I feel like it's a good selection. Like we have a deeper shade to deepen things up, a good crease shade, something to warm things up, a nice shimmer, and then a nice brow bone shade. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys on in, and then I'm going to show you guys a quick little look using everything, and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. look. Now we are ready to go and eat dinner in La Sala, looking super snatched for Thanksgiving. I am a big fan of this box. I love everything that came in this month's box. I feel like this is just perfection. Now the eyeshadow primer, I didn't hate the eyeshadow primer. I would just say, like, for matte shadows, I would probably like put down like some kind of setting powder and then maybe use some of this to like really adhere like the shimmer. I feel like this would be a great way to like kind of fake a cut crease without actually having to like cut out your like crease and whatnot. So I did like that. But the eyeshadow palette I was thoroughly impressed with. I feel like it is like the perfect like everyday eyeshadow palette. I really did like the eyeshadow palette, and I will say the most like intense color is probably that orange shade right there, which I believe is called Jasper, but I feel like it adds nice warmth to the eye. You can just kind of like use a bigger brush to really like dust it out, but I wanted to keep the intensity of the orange in my eyes, so that's why I left it like that. And then the last item is the mascara. I will say I'm not a huge fan of this mascara per se, because even though I do like voluminous lashes, I don't like super like soft fluffy lashes. Like, I like them to look like really thick, and I like them to look long, and I like them to almost look like fake lashes. And I feel like this gives you like a natural lash vibe. You guys can barely see because of the eyeliner. It still is a nice like everyday mascara. Would I probably continue to use it? Probably not. I probably will throw this in my freelance kit because I always can use a really good waterproof mascara. But other than that, I really did enjoy this month's box. I feel like all the items in this month's box are really, really great. I feel like you can create a full look using the box, which is what I love about Boxycharm, is you can create a whole entire look for the most part with the items that you get. Obviously, you're gonna have to add other things in there, but like, you have enough to create something with. And I love the fact that you don't get like 3 eyeshadow palettes in one box. Like, if you do get the premium and the base box, you might get 2 eyeshadow palettes in that sense, but in the same exact box, for the most part, you usually don't get 2 of the same exact type of product. So I do love that, because you can try out all the different products that you get in the box and kind of see how you like them and whatnot. So overall, I'm going to give this box a 4.5 out of 5, just because, again, the mascara wasn't my absolute favorite mascara formula, but everything else in the box I really did like. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you guys can use my link down below. I will let you know that even though Boxycharm did send me this box as a gift, the link down below is not an affiliate link, meaning that I'm not going to make money if you guys use my link down below. It is just like a referral link that everybody gets with Boxycharm. If you have it, all that happens is I'll get like 500 points if you guys sign up using my link, and then I think you guys get like a free gift or something like that whenever you guys sign up using the link. Yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely sign up down below. It is $25 a month, but you do get a bunch of different items. I didn't even tell you guys how much this box was worth. So this is $150 worth of items in this box, which I think is such a great deal for $25 a month. Like, it's a great way to build up your collection and a great way to try out new products and new brands that you probably never heard of. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this box to me. Let me know what variation you guys got, what items you guys got, and which item was your favorite. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know what video to make for you guys in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then.